Welcome back to Badlands Gun Dogs. In today's video, we're going to start the very start of lining drills. I mean, very start. Okay, got the other two pups eating. She knows her food's out here. Kind of waiting patiently. I'm gonna just open this up and give her a minute. Nope. Ah. Oh, you're gonna fight me. Okay, sorry about that. Just give her a minute to make a mistake. Really? Oh, that's two mistakes. Nope, not yet. I know, everybody else is eating. So then I keep a hand in front of the kennel, use the kennel. She's good about, pretty good about staying in there. Then I stand to the side of the kennel. I'm on the right side here. And this is, I line this up as if I was lining up a blind retreat. I'll put my hand down in line with the bowl. Violet. And that's only, I guess it's a little less than 10 feet. That's how we start lining. I'll show you a little further one in a bit. Okay, here's the next setting. Oh, I better lock that. She might get out of there. Okay, so we've done, about 5 feet in the pup pen, 10 feet in the doghouse, roughly. So here I am, just gonna stand by the kennel again. Maybe we'll do her like this. Whoa! Nope. Sitting on a bad slant. We'll stand on the other side. And I'll just put the hand down. Wait till she's quiet. Wait till she's calm. Violet. And there we go. And so what I'm gonna do there, we'll just work our way backwards. All right, out here again. In the kennel. Food's out there at about 20 yards. Violet. Oh, too far, maybe. Try her again here. Violet. Break. Oh, doesn't understand. Okay, just gonna pick it up, bring it back in front of her face. All right, this is what's out there. She knows it. She was whining for food a little bit ago. Instead of 20 paces this time, we'll go back to 10 like we did for breakfast. Come on back. Violet. Okay, maybe we'll go to 15 for evening meal. All right, we got the bowl sitting out there at about 15 yards. Violet. Very good. All right, went back to 20 yards this morning. She's very excited about it. Whoops. Well, did her today. All right. We're at 30. Violet. 30 yards, that is. Very good. All right. Violet. Ow. Okay. What is that cat doing? It's not. Well, that's 40 yards. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna end the video there. Started in the pup pen. Increments of longer distances. An introduction to running lines. None of the lines were maybe particularly good, but the pup was in a spot, relatively calm, ran relatively straight to a different spot where there's something that, well, she wanted to find. We'll probably not come back to running lines until we. I don't force fetch these water spaniels. We do pile work, but it's not exactly forced to a pile. So we'll probably return to lining then. All right, I hope that was helpful. Have a good one.